Explain loops in Java. In Java, loops are control flow structures that allow a certain block of code to be executed repeatedly as long as a specified condition is true. There are three main types of loops in Java: for, while, and do while. For loop. The for loop is used when the number of iterations is known in advance. Here is the for loop structure. Initialization is executed once before the loop starts. Condition is checked before each iteration. If false, the loop exits. Update is executed after each iteration. In this example, initialization sets the value of I to 0. Condition I less than 5 is checked before each iteration. And update to increment I is executed after each iteration. While loop. The while loop is used when the number of iterations is not known in advance. Here is the while loop structure. Condition is checked before each iteration. If false, the loop exits. In this example, condition I less than 5 is checked before each iteration. Loop exits when this condition is false. Do while loop. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but the condition is checked after the block of code is executed, ensuring that the block is executed at least once. Here is the while loop structure. Condition is checked after each iteration. If false, the loop exits. In this example, condition I less than 5 is checked after each iteration. Loop exits when this condition is false. Loop control statements. Break statement terminates the loop and transfers control to the statement immediately following the loop. Here is an example. When the value of I is 5, break is executed and loop is terminated. Continue statement skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration and proceeds to the next iteration. In this example, when I is even, the rest of the code inside the loop is skipped.